thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.